Hello, my name is Tarmo and my geocaching name is Metroboy. Today I'm sitting in my garden as I don't have any footage to show you from my today's trips anywhere. But that doesn't mean that I don't have a video to share you. I was thinking, many of you have been in an occasion where you have found a geocache and sometime later you want to go there and look for that geocache and you are seeing that it disappeared from your map. It's got archived or disabled, whatever the reason, caches comes and caches goes. So today I would like to show you how you can actually see those geocaches that are already archived. And for that we have a
website project-gc.com.
I leave the link down to the description so you can check it out yourself. There are occasions when you want to see the geocaches that are already disabled, gone from the map. So if I open the geocaching web page, for example, and I show you the map shows you the caches I am able to see at the moment. There you go. It does show you all the caches in this area. And for example, these are my caches in the South Church Park. And I know that this one got DNF today. I need to check that one out tomorrow morning. But how do you see the caches that are already archived? So there is a project GC, MapCompare. You have a premium account on geocaching.com because it's one of the prerequisites. So first of all, select the country where you want to find, and on this case Eastern England and Essex. But it is very important that you put there over here the distance, because otherwise it's gonna crash your browser if you show all the caches in the Essex area. So usually up to 10 kilometers is fine, but everything about that, it's gonna crash the system. So what you need to do, show none found, one found, both found. Don't worry about that one. You can put any name there to compare with. So, and here, this is very important. For example, I want to see caches in this area. So I open one of my own caches pages and I take note of the locations I want to center. So I'm gonna copy this and I put this on my MapCompare. Something like that. And I don't need that much, so I put just 1 kilometer. So in here you got United Kingdom, Eastern England, Essex, and then you push filter. And there we go. This now shows all the caches that have been present in this location previously. Bear in mind that when you see these ones, you can click on them and you can open these in the new one. It says why it was archived, as it was going constantly missing, things like that. But there's some other things so which are built in that are very useful. So if I'm going back to the filters, you put that plus sign, and let's say I'm gonna take off the archived and disabled ones and filter. Now it shows the current caches, and very useful tool. For example, you want to place a new geocache somewhere here, then we have these buttons here, and the most useful thing for me is this one here. It's called 161 meters, and I did use this tool exactly to place this geocache here, as this one is in the middle of the park and it's barely clear from my other caches in the area. So if you want some assistance to place your geocache, then this tool here is very, very useful to use it for this reason. Bear in mind that mystery caches are showing the location of the cache on the map, but not the real locations. So I know for sure, like here on the Eastern Esplanade, there's hidden one of those mystery caches, not one of mine, but somebody else. So as I know that one actually creates another circle around here. So yeah, it's not perfect, but it's very useful tool. And again, like I said, you want to see, for example, the geocaches, for example, in let's say Chelmsford. Let's go to Chelmsford, and you want to find any caches put there in Chelmsford. So you go to Chelmsford, you find one of these caches, just a random one, and you note down the location. You copy the location, go back to the MapCompare, you go to the filters, you paste down the location, and again it does show the current caches. So to get back you need a filter, so you need to have show disabled archived, and when I put these ones down and filter, it does show all the caches.